Today's key verse: I set my rainbow in the cloud, and it will be a sign of a covenant between me and the earth. Genesis 9, verse 13. As we read, we learn that the flood waters dried, and the earth breathed again. But this wasn't just a reset, it was a reboot of humanity. Noah sent out a dove, and it returned with an olive leaf, small sign that life was possible again. Then God gave us the rainbow as sign of the covenant. Science explains how light bends through water, and faith explains why it still means hope. Science says we adapt, and God says we're designed on purpose in His image. But when they built the Tower of Babbell, science saw innovation, but God saw ego. And what looked like progress to man was pride in God's eyes. So, let's take a moment to ask ourselves, are we building our tower of faith out of trust, or are we trying to climb without Him? I pray that God works His will through you today. Amen.